Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be discussing the latest Dell PowerEdge T440 server. This actually comes with dual Xeon 8-core processors. It can hold up to 512 gigs of RAM, but what we've got is 136 gigs of DDR4. And remember, when dealing with servers, you've got to use ECC memory. And we've got two processors, and they're the Xeon Bronze 3106 1.7 gigahertz 8-core processors. This unit comes with a 3-year warranty. If you're looking for a pretty solid server with dual processors, lots of memory capabilities, come on into Impress, and we'll also show you what we've done here. Is we're running with 4 solid state 1 terabyte drives for the operating system running on a RAID 10, and 4 2 terabyte regular 7200 RPM drives for storage, also running on a RAID 10. So lots of hard drive capability, lots of processing capability, and plenty of RAM. Give us a call, 281-647-9977.